There's one thing you should know before diving into the conversation around masks: the public should not purchase surgical masks or N95 respirators. Healthcare workers are facing shortages and need those masks to treat coronavirus patients. You should also note, face covering is recommended but not mandatory. Homemade masks are not a substitute for social distancing and staying inside. Not sure how to wear or clean the masks? Materials you'll need: bandana, t-shirt or square cotton cloth, about 20 inches by 20 inches, coffee filter, rubber bands or hair ties. 1. Cut the bottom off a folded coffee filter. Keep the top part, you'll need it for the filter in your mask. 2. Lay a bandana or 20 inches by 20 inches t-shirt flat in a rectangle. Fold the bandana or shirt in half lengthwise. 3. Fold the cut filter in the center of the folded bandana or shirt. Then, fold the top of the bandana or shirt down over the filter. Fold the bottom up. 4. Place rubber bands or hair ties around the folded bandana or shirt, about 6 inches apart. 5. Fold the side of the bandana or shirt in toward the middle and tuck. 6. Place the rubber bands or hair ties around your ears, and voila, you've made a face mask, no sewing required.